Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with another English grammar lesson. Today we are going to talk about the must and have to. Both of them are auxiliary or modal verbs, and both are using almost with the same meaning, but there are some differences that we are going to explain it with examples. So starting from the meaning, must, it shows the obligation that comes from the speaker. It means it's more like personal opinion. When we are using must, we are using it for personal opinions. Used for strong rules, instructions, or personal decisions. But have, it shows the obligation that come from outside, like facts. It's not from speaker itself. When someone is talking about the obligation or rules or anything that come from the outside, maybe an office or government law or anything like that, we have here we use have to. Use for law, rules, authority, or situation. So, for example, must can be used for personal decision. I must study tonight. It means it is my decision and I have to do it. So the obligation, so it is my decision and I must do it. Have to shows the obligation. It's obligation from the outside and it's not your opinion or your decision. So he has to work late and the work he is doing is from the outside, the time he has to spend on work. The next one is personal opinion. Both of them can express the personal opinion, like a personal opinion with must. For example, I must phone him, or personal opinion would have to, I have to phone him. So with the personal opinion, you can use, or we can use, with the personal opinion we can put both of them. With the personal opinion we can use both of them, but for the personal decision we have to use must, and for the obligation we have to use have to. So the next one, in written instructions and rules, we usually use must. Seatbelt must be worn. Suppose you see it on a sticker on the seatbelt of your car or something like that. So, but have to is used for facts. I have to work from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. It's a fact and you are obligated to do that. Must in the past form and have to, both of them have must and have to has the same past form. We use had to with the both in the past form or past tenses. For example, with the must, I had to tell him the truth and I have to tell him the truth. So for both of them we use had to in the past. The negative form for must not, for the negative form for must is must not. Must not mean someone is not allowed to do it. For example, you must keep it secret, don't tell anyone. So you're not allowed to tell anyone about the things that he said to you. And have to, the negative form of have to is don't have to. For example, I have to work tomorrow. Here I show that I have an obligation to do.